Air travel in your 60s and beyond doesn't have to be stressful, exhausting, or overwhelming. In fact, many airports and airlines have special programs, services, and perks designed to make the experience smoother, more comfortable, and even cheaper for senior travelers. However, most of these benefits go unnoticed simply because they are not widely advertised. This video will reveal how you can unlock 8 hidden airport perks seniors miss, so you can travel with ease, save money, and avoid unnecessary hassle every time you fly. If you are planning to travel soon or know someone who is, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more essential travel tips and insights that can change the way you experience your journeys. Number 1. Priority security screening. One of the biggest challenges for many senior travelers is getting through airport security, especially when the lines are long and the process feels rushed. What many people over 60 don't realize is that certain airports and airlines offer priority or expedited security screening, either for free or as part of their senior-friendly services. In many U.S. airports, seniors are allowed to keep their light jackets and shoes on during screening under TSA PreCheck, which can make the process far less stressful. Even in other countries, asking about senior access at check-in counters can often lead to being guided toward shorter lines or designated lanes that are less crowded. This not only saves precious time, but also reduces physical strain from standing for extended periods. Some airports have dedicated staff to escort senior passengers through the process, ensuring that everything moves at a comfortable pace. The key is to inquire in advance or at the airport. Many travelers miss out simply because they never ask. Number 2. Complimentary or discounted wheelchair assistance. A surprising number of seniors underestimate how much walking is required inside major airports today. From long corridors to distant gates and multiple security checks, even those without mobility challenges may find it tiring. Almost every major airport worldwide offers complimentary or discounted wheelchair assistance for senior travelers, regardless of whether they use a wheelchair in daily life. This service often includes being met at the entrance or check-in area, assisted through security, and escorted all the way to the boarding gate, and in many cases directly to the aircraft door. Not only does this make traveling more comfortable, but it can also reduce stress when connecting flights require moving quickly between terminals. To take advantage of this perk, it's best to request it while booking your ticket, or at least 48 hours before your flight. However, even last-minute requests at the airport are often accommodated, especially for passengers over a certain age. Number 3. Early boarding privileges. Waiting in long lines during boarding can be exhausting, especially when carrying personal items or trying to find overhead bin space. Many airlines provide early boarding privileges to seniors, allowing them to enter the aircraft ahead of the general crowd. This perk gives extra time to settle in, place carry-ons comfortably, and avoid the rush of the main boarding groups. While some carriers officially list this as a benefit for passengers with reduced mobility or those who need extra time, gate agents often extend this courtesy to senior travelers who request it politely. Boarding early can make a significant difference in overall travel comfort, particularly for long-haul flights where every minute of preparation counts. Seniors who combine this with priority seating or extra legroom seats often experience a much smoother start to their journey. Number 4. Special lounge access and discounts. Airport lounges are often thought of as exclusive spaces reserved for business travelers and frequent flyers, but seniors can sometimes access these peaceful areas at discounted rates, or even for free. Some credit cards with senior benefits include complimentary lounge access as part of their travel perks, while certain airlines offer reduced lounge fees for passengers over 60. Lounges typically provide comfortable seating, free refreshments, quiet environments, and clean restrooms, features that can make long layovers far more pleasant. In some airports, senior travelers who book premium economy or higher class tickets automatically gain entry to these lounges, even if they are not frequent flyer members. Checking with the airline's customer service or exploring membership programs that offer senior discounts can open the door to a much more relaxed pre-flight experience. Number 5. Senior-friendly discounts on meals and shopping. Inside airports, everything from coffee to snacks to travel essentials often comes at a premium price. What many travelers over 60 do not realize is that several airport restaurants, cafes, and retail outlets quietly offer senior discounts. These discounts might range from 5% to 15% off meals, drinks, or even travel accessories. Some are automatically applied when showing a senior ID, while others require enrollment in loyalty programs that cater to mature travelers. For instance, certain international airports partner with dining chains that give age-based discounts upon request. This can make a noticeable difference, especially on long journeys with multiple layovers where buying food at every stop quickly adds up. Asking at the counter or checking airport websites beforehand can uncover these small but valuable savings. Number 6. Free or priority airport assistance for connections. Connecting flights often create anxiety for senior passengers, especially in large international hubs with tight layover times. Many airlines and airports have dedicated programs to assist travelers over 60 in making their connections without unnecessary stress. This includes dedicated staff to guide them from one gate to another, access to electric carts or shuttle services inside the terminal, and in some cases fast-track processing through immigration and security checks for connecting flights. This service is particularly helpful for those traveling alone or those who may feel overwhelmed in busy transit environments. The best part is that this perk is often available free of charge, provided it is requested in advance when booking or at the check-in counter. Number 7. Senior fare flexibility and change benefits. Flight plans sometimes change, and for many senior travelers, flexibility is essential. Several airlines quietly provide more lenient change and cancellation policies for passengers over 60. This can include waived change fees, extended validity on tickets, or discounted rebooking charges. These benefits are not always advertised in bold, but they exist in the fine print of certain airlines' senior travel programs. For those traveling domestically within the United States or even internationally, it is worth inquiring about senior fares or flexible tickets, as they may cost slightly more upfront but save significant money if plans shift unexpectedly. This can be especially beneficial for retirees who often travel seasonally or plan longer stays abroad. Number 8. Access to airport medical and wellness services. Long flights and busy airports can sometimes create unexpected health challenges, particularly for older travelers. Many international airports now feature medical assistance centers or wellness zones that cater specifically to senior passengers. These services range from free blood pressure checks and first aid support to dedicated rest areas where travelers can recover from fatigue or mild illness before boarding. Some airports even have partnerships with nearby clinics or offer on-site pharmacies with senior-friendly guidance. Knowing where these services are located and how to access them can be a game changer, turning a stressful delay or sudden discomfort into a manageable situation. Travelers who take the time to ask about these facilities often find they are far more accessible than expected. Flying after 60 does not have to mean long waits, endless walking, or unnecessary expenses. From priority screening and early boarding to special lounge access and senior-only discounts, these hidden perks can transform the airport experience into something far more relaxed and enjoyable. The key is knowing what to ask for and taking advantage of services designed specifically for older travelers. Many of these benefits are offered quietly, without much promotion, which is why thousands of seniors miss out on them every year. If these insights have helped uncover opportunities you didn't know existed, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable travel tips that can make every journey after 60 smoother, more comfortable, and stress-free.